Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you some of the things my kids and I do on weekend. But before that, I'm going to be preparing okongobong soup, or you can call it ogu soup. And to prepare this okongobong soup, I'm going to be using egusi, and I have a detailed recipe on how to prepare okongobong on my channel. You can please check it out if you want to know how detailed it is, because in this video I'm not going to be showing you the detailed recipe, but if you like it, please just check it out. I'll leave the link in my description box. Please check it out. I already washed my okongobong behind camera because I'm using the dry okongobong. I don't have the fresh one. I'm using the dry one. I already washed it thoroughly, and now I'm just adding it into my pot, and I'm going to be adding spinach. I also washed it behind camera. My soup is almost ready, guys. Now I'm just adding my fish into it. I'll keep it again to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that will be fine.